How's it going, guys? I'm here again with the go-karts. I got new stuff done to it. I got brake lights, as you guys can see, mounted and all wired up. They do work. I did weld these tabs on there. It is pretty strong, so they ain't going anywhere. It was pretty easy to wire them. Yellow is blinker, black ground, white is running light, I think, and brake is, red is brake. Took me a while to figure it out, like where the blinkers and all that stuff was on the original harness, but I got it. And they are pretty bright. They are pretty nice. They are sequential, and they do have an animation when you turn them on. For some reason, though, it's from the harness that the right blinker doesn't work sometimes. But let's just go ahead and show you guys the brake lights in action. So this is the animation of when you turn the ignition on. Pretty cool. Then it dims down. This is the brake light. Oh shoot. Alright, this is the brake light. Blinks and then comes to a stop. This is what's that? Left blinker. Oops. And this is right blinker if it works. And yeah, there we go. No? Yeah, it only works sometimes. I don't know why. I think it's this switch, but oh, there we go. Yeah, or it just might be a loose ground, but it does work. So yeah, just to see the animation again. They are pretty cool taillights. Got them on Amazon for I think $30. I think they're trailer lights, but they're pretty good lights. So yeah, as you guys could see, the brake lights do work. Everything works except for sometimes that right blinker. But they're really good tail lights. Again, they're sequential and all that. Still haven't taken off this little plastic. I don't want to scratch them. But I do have a clip of me running the engine and the wheels spinning with the chain and all that driven. So I'll go ahead and play that clip now, and then I'll end the video there.